The first questions were, how tall are you? This contestant said 6'2". How would you describe your personality in 3 words? Very, very funny. Sports, football, baseball, basketball, not tennis, because do other people find you funny? He said yes. Does he drive? Yes. What does he do in his free time? Grind Fortnite all night.
Okay, that's
Off the answers, you did say the contestant would like to date you.
Yes, the contestant would like to date you.
no.
Where? What the?
What? No. Oh heck no. 6'2".
So he is 6'1". His personality in 3 words is funny, caring, and outgoing. He plays basketball, track, and baseball. Yes, other people find him funny. Does he drive? Yes. In his free time, he hangs out with friends and he makes good memories.
I really think these people's egos are too high, but this will be a yes also.
Okay. So the answer to that.
So based off of this contestant's answers to the questions, the answer will be yes, they would like to date him.
You can look.
Get out!
No way.
Oh my god! No, this is not. Ew, you disgust me. Outgoing? No, you're not. First of all, you're lying.
I
didn't
answered
say
for
anything.
I want crinkle fries for for $1 now at Arby's. Still got curlies at the Arby's.
Y arriba yo, mi papá y la chona. Contaré la historia de una famosa persona. Todos la conocen.
Arby's, we have the meats.
Right now. Pushing it all, looking at Taze, just by the front door, just throwing chairs, everything was going down. 50,000 people. Helicopter! Twins, real twins, twins. You gotta know about it.
Jumbo at the show, Jumbo at the show. Had to turn my flow, yeah, had to change the tone. Had to turn my diamonds, yeah, they smacking head to toe. About what you saying, yeah, just shut up and let me go. Riding in that beat, you let me talk the truth. Bro, I rode these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking tongue. Head number 1 up on these chart, yeah, it's stuck at one. All we do is just go number 1. And I just brought in some ends, the first of the month. Ryan, I'm in the game, I'm to the city, I'm afraid of the.
Oh, the things you can think and wonder and dream just as far as you dare. And if you really dare to learn more about Oh, the Things You Can Think, you can come on down to the musical on Saturday at 7:30 and Sunday at 2:30. Come see our amazing cast of Dr. Seuss characters. They are awesome.
Name?
King Cook.
How tall are you?
6'1".
Can we check?
Yes.
You guys have your questions in from yesterday?
Thank you.
Valid.
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin Pierce,
How tall are you?
4 foot 11 inches.
Can we check that?
Absolutely.
You're about. Yep, 4'11". Who are we here with today?
Mr. Scheidegger,
And how tall are you?
5'4".
Can we check?
Yes.
Oh my god, this dude is so annoying.
Yep. Who am I here with?
Jason Hamilton,
How tall are you?
4'8".
Can we check?
Sure.
It's gonna be really short.
I don't know.
What's your name?
Braden Arnold,
How tall are you?
7'2".
Can I check?
Sure.
Here.
Okay.
God dang it, Braden. Yep.
Okay.
Here with today. Oh, really good. How tall are you?
10'9".
Can I check?
Oh, of course.
Meow.
Nine. Yeah, buddy.
Who am I here with?
Connor Black.
How tall are you?
6'7".
Can I measure you?
Yeah.
Boom. 6'7".
Told you.